Well, hello YouTube friends and fans. Today I'm going to show you the upgrade in my videoing system, and I will also take you up on the roof outside. I think I've got a problem I got to check on. So let's open up the package and see what we got. Yes, that's exactly what I thought it would be. They're oversized camera clamps. I'm going to take you up here to the tripod and show you what's going on. Alright. This should allow my phone to fit in just perfectly. So I brought in two cell phones. The red one's my old one that I've replaced with the S10 that I'm currently recording with, and the blue one is the same thing. It's an S5, just like the red one here. And I'll show you why this is such a huge upgrade. Let me mount each one into the tripod, little mini tripod here, and you should be able to see why. That fits really good. But if you look, I've got room to slide that right in over it. This big mouthpiece allows for to fit case and all. And I can't shake it off. So that's the reasoning. So now my phone will be fully protected at all times, and we won't have to worry about damaging it because I drop it or it falls over or whatever the case may be. Just a reminder, if you like what you're watching, hit that subscribe button for more future content. I try to publish once a week at least, if not 2 to 3 times. And I think you saw the other tripod. This is my mini. This is pretty much the extent of all my camera equipment. And of course, thumbs up and comments are always welcome. I try to reply to everything. Let me switch cameras and I'll show you the S10 in action. So you can see how well that holds. Big camera with case. The phones are the same size as the one I'm recording with, but if you don't have the big case, it just doesn't fit. Let me show you. I'll take this red phone here and put it on this blue case. I mean, it's not that it won't go on, it's just the jaws aren't deep enough. So, and I can pretty much, just like that, it'll pop right off. Alrighty friends, let's get outside and take care of the roof before it rains, because it's going to happen. Well, I wonder if this is how Wrangler Star or some of my other YouTube friends would do it. Well, here's the culprit. Let's see what we get into. Nothing like having a direct access to your attic when it's going to rain. Not sure what we're going to do here to fix this. Well, upon further thought, I have a vinyl sign material. I'm going to see if I can somehow cobble this over the top. Brought some zip ties and a hole punch. Well, being this is soft aluminum, I can kind of take this hole punch and just push in on it here. Do a couple more holes like that, and hopefully this will hold till I get to the store. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow. Right on cue, here comes the rain. Well, folks, it's starting to rain. Didn't even have time to get to the store to get the parts. All right. Well, I'd have to do. It's gonna get wet real fast up here. Well, friends, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Hopefully you don't have problems like this, and hopefully a little more easily solved.